Welcome back to Oregon South Shore Toyota. In front of service here, this is the 2024 Toyota Corolla SC upgrade. This is the Ruby Flare Pearl paint. Just want to do a little walk around highlight of this vehicle. This is available in stock, available for purchase. It's a nice sportier edition. It has the nice low profile wheels. These are 18-inch. And this has the sunroof. Also equipped with the wireless charging pad for the phone and heated steering wheel. This already has a pre-installed hood deflector. It's for deflecting rocks and scratching your hood. And we'll pop on the inside here. Proximity open. Also, if you hold it, it does all the doors. This is the back seat. 2 Type-C ports. Cup holders. And this has nice accessible spots for your anchors for child seats. Very easy to get to. Pop on the inside. This has the power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. Hop inside. This only has 10 kilometers on it, so I don't think it's been test driven yet. Automatic high beams here. Heated steering wheel. Front wiper de-icer, so those cold winter mornings you can warm up the wipers. And we'll turn this on. It's a 2-liter engine, so 169 horsepower. Automatic air conditioning. Put in auto mode, we'll do it all for you. Also has eco as well. Touchscreen. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. Also have the sunroof, which has a pullable shade. And then the internal screen here. This has been idling, so it hasn't had an actual average yet, but it will in the next few days. Also cruise control, lane centering, lane departure alert, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring, wireless charger, heated seats, and then paddle shifters, so you can shift manually, and different drive modes. So it shows on here, a different drive as well. So yeah, come check it out.